Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a handy feature on Android phones, how to automatically turn off your personal hotspot when it's not in use. This can help save battery life and avoid unnecessary data usage. Let's get into it. The first step is to open your phone's settings. Once you're in the settings, look for connection and sharing or network and internet. This can vary depending on your device. Tap on that option. Next, you'll want to find Hotspot. Tap on this option to access the settings for your personal hotspot. In the Hotspot section, look for an option related to automatically turn off personal hotspot or auto shutdown for the hotspot. This setting will automatically turn off your hotspot if no devices are connected for a set period of time. If your phone supports it, you can enable it here. And that's it. You've now learned how to automatically turn off your personal hotspot on Android. If your phone supports this feature, it's an easy way to save battery and data. If not, you can always rely on third-party apps like Tasker to automate the process. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.